Hi everyone, it's January, which means it's time to start pruning our roses. A lot of people get intimidated by pruning, but I'm going to make it easy for you. You just need three things. You need a set of gardening gloves like these. They don't have to be pink. You need a set of pruning shears like these, and then you need a set of loppers like these for larger canes. Okay, so spoiler alert, this is what it's going to look like when we're all done. So here we have a nice rose called Abraham Darby, and we're going to start by trimming out all of the dead wood and any thin, weak growth that's thinner than a pencil. Now you can see the structure of your plant much more clearly. And you can see that we still have some dead canes that we need to remove, especially this one that runs through the center of the plant. You want a nice open center in the middle of your rose bush. And then we're going to trim the remaining canes to where they're about 6 inches off the ground. So I'm going to remove this dead cane from the center of our plant along with these two other canes. So now we're going to trim these remaining canes to where they're about 6 inches off the ground, and we're going to do it at a 45-degree angle. And now with just a little bit of pruning, you've assured yourself beautiful rose blossoms all summer long.